Hello everyone. Sandile here. The girl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Today I am going to try and move my bananas or transplant my bananas, and that should be a very interesting exercise given the fact that also the sun is about to set. So I need to move quickly and do this. Yeah, before we get on to moving the bananas, let me say thank you very much to those of you who have chosen to subscribe to my channel, supported the channel, comment and shared the comment, the channel. Please carry on subscribing, please carry on commenting, please carry on supporting the channel, share it wide as much as you can with family and friends. These are the bananas that we're going to be dealing with right now. I need to move them here because of the electric fence that is killing them. You probably won't see it clearly now, but I'll show it to you. As they grow taller and then they touch the electric fence, for some reason the leaves get bent or something like that, and it affects them, so they aren't as productive as they should be. I had other bananas down there where I'm going to put these ones. They were down here before we filled up the space here. So when we filled up the space here, we put the soil on top of the bananas. You can see one just about the end of my finger there. That's the load that was here, so it all got buried under this load of soil. So I am going to be putting these bananas around here. I'll be moving them here along the fence line, as they can also become good soil retainers for me to stop this soil from rolling down, further down and all that. But let's get to do that. Now I need to go get my spade and we do this, and I'll show you how I do this. Right, let's do this. Let's do this. Hopefully there is no snake here. Let's see. I need to come right in under here, because for me to do this properly, I also need to dip under, dip down, you know. There we go. Need to go right there, right there, right there. There we go. That's banana number one. Still hanging on something there. Yeah. I'm trying not to break the roots as much as possible as I can, but also if I have to, I will in any case. Whoa. Okay, I don't want to break the root. I want to take the root with me. This guy there. Go back. Let's see if I'm capturing this right. Yes. Okay, let's go. We've got three more. Because the other one has already produced and it is of no use. Alright, let's go for you. There. And papers. Seems to be a rock here. Let's look in now. Go. This one is even good. You can see there's a baby banana coming out here. There's a baby banana coming out here. That's good. Take this down. This one is just gonna go into compost. It has already produced, so it's no longer useful for anything except probably breeding other babies, but even that I doubt. As you can see, it's completely dead. I was supposed to get it out when this bunch of bananas, I had already seen that it wasn't gonna go anywhere, but I didn't. So it's fine. We'll chop it up, dump it on a compost bin. We'll make a good material for the compost bin. So now we've got those two to take it out, about 3. There is a small one. 3 of them, put them there, and I start preparing that place there for them, and then I put them on. There you go. That was nice, simple and easy. This guy also has a baby. This one also has a baby. Oh, this one is heavy. Yeah. Okay, I don't think I'll need to dig this one as well, and just pull it out. There we go. Just pull it out. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. There's no more banana here. Bananas are gone. Okay. Let's go talk bananas. Let's go talk bananas. Whew. Man, looking at these bananas, they all look good, root-wise and all that, so I'm assuming all of them will survive and they will grow big and they will produce for us. Normally when a banana starts shooting these little guys like this, that's an indication that it is about to fruit, because once it's fruit it dies, and these guys, they carry on the legacy or whatever it is, or you might wanna call it. Right now my boys, they've dumped a lot of dog poop right here. I need to first try and clean that out and yeah, and see how we can get this done. It is going to be an interesting one. Woo! I'm sliding down. Yeah, so I need to try and do this. Don't want the dog poop here. There we go. There we go. Don't want the dog poop. Yeah. Ooh, my. So the soil is rolling down with me, and that's why I want to put these bananas here, because part of the reason they have to be here is so that they can do this holding up of the soil. Yeah, but to do that I need to prepare this properly, you know. I need to prepare this properly so that when I dig for them, I dig nicely, and it can also hold water, you know. There we go. Woo, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Right guys, as you can see, I'm done. I've transplanted them and I've put these rocks there to try and give them some sort of a stability in case it's windy and the wind is pushing towards me, so they don't topple down. At least if the wind is pushing that direction towards them, the bananas, then they have that whole sand barrier there to support them. And the rocks will also anchor their roots so that they don't come up. Now what I need to do, I need to come and dump a lot of water here to help them with the shock and all that, because definitely they are in shock right now, because we've just removed them where they were to here, and they are confused what's going on. So I need to dump a lot of water, keep this whole area here wet and moisture for them for a couple of days, so that they can catch and realize that this is their new home. And I'm hoping that they will grow big and produce bigger fruits than what was happening there where the electric fence was on their way. As you can see, those leaves there, that's the electric fence effect that has been burning them. I don't understand the whole thing, how it happens, but I know because before this electric fence was activated, the bananas there were doing well. Until this electric fence was activated, that's when they started not doing so great. Okay guys, that's about it. We're done here. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the video. Wow, my video is so fuzzy. You know, yeah, this is it. We're done. Bananas have been transplanted, and I'm happy with the job that I've done. And the sun has set. Let me go get the water them, and we see as time goes on, keep you updated and show you what's happening. It is always important that when you're moving the banana, make sure that you get the whole ball that's underneath the plant. I don't know what it's called, but yes, even if the roots are not there, if you've got that ball, ball there that looks like a yam, then the banana plant has a chance of surviving and living. Okay, Sandile here, the guy who lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the videos. We appreciate that a lot. Salute. I'm out.